Hi everyone, welcome back. I can't wait to share with you this product test that I'm doing. I called it a product review because basically I'm telling you what I think about it along the way. I've already used it. I'm real excited about it. I'll share my tips at the end because I want you to watch it all the way through so what I say makes sense to you. I put the links below. I got it from Amazon. It was like 11 bucks where I live. I don't know what it'll be for where you live, but to me, it was worth the $10 investment to try this out because I think I'm gonna invest a little bit more. It was phenomenal and I can use everything I already have with it. Like I said, tips at the end so that you can avoid some of the challenges that I had along the way, and hope you enjoy. This was so much fun. Let's get started. Okay, I had this brilliant idea. I wanted to make spray paint out of my underglazes. I saw this on Amazon and I thought, oh, this would be so easy. Basically, you fill it, you attach the little compressed air to it, and then it comes out and it sprays. So I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, this looks like the sprayers that I'll be attaching. It comes with a packet, in a pack of 2. Oh, look at that. So it's called Pre-Val Spray System. It gives you all the directions that you need to strain it and how to attach it. So let's just go ahead and get it done. I want to try it out. The first step is to strain the underglaze so it's thin enough to go through the filter that's on the bottom of the tube inside the bottle. I'm going to use this 80 mesh. And I'm going to strain it into here, this little bowl. I'm using Amico's Velvet Underglaze Real Orange because I want to be able to see the contrast. Okay, now I'm going to take the strained underglaze and put it inside this jar. Just pour it in there. I'm not sure exactly how thin this has to be, so I may need to make adjustments once I test spray it. One thing I don't do is waste even a drop of underglaze, so I am going to take the remaining orange that didn't go off into the bottle and just make an underglaze transfer from it. Make marks. Someday I'm going to use this. It's beautiful because they can just dry out. And then once they're dry, you can cut them as you need them. Apply a little bit of slip back on the paper and it releases the color from the paper. It's pretty darn cool. On the Pre-Val directions, they said don't shake it when you have the system on, when you have the tube inside. So I wanted to add a little bit of water because I just feel like it might have been a tad bit too thick. Okay, the next step is to make sure that this tube is firmly attached. They send you 2 extra tubes and 2 extra spray nozzles. The power unit is vented and therefore spraying between a 90 degree angle and 45 degree angle is required or the unit will not work. See, they even have a picture right there. So in order to test it, I was going to use newsprint, but this is actually just large rolled tissue paper. This also works for underglaze transfer, so it's another way of saving my underglaze. Not working. It's not sucking it up further than that. So that must mean that it's clogged. All right, I'm gonna go rinse it out and I'll be right back. I saw that it was a little clogged in the filters. So it did say I could take that little bottom filter off if I want to make it thicker, but I'd really love to see if I could use it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water. It's wet now and I got a little more wet, so maybe I can make some kind of mark on here. See? Oh my gosh! I just want to see if I can get something. Oh, There's something. It's working. Oh, I love that. Okay, so it's done tested. All right, now let's try it on some pottery. So in order to prepare for this, I got a white background because I want to be able to see how much overspray comes from the can itself. It's supposed to be like spray paint, so hopefully it works out like that. Also, I have my newsprint underneath my test piece, and I'm gonna try this at an angle. I'm not sure how far away I should be. Yeah. Okay, I got solid coverage at the top there. I wanted to try it with a stencil. I wonder if I have to clean it out again. I'm just gonna try tapping it. See, it did come out. It got clogged, that's what happened. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. Still shiny. Oh, that really works. Look, I got even a little bit up there. I am gonna try a stencil again. I wanna see how fine the detail will be. While I was looking for a stencil, I put the cap back on to make sure that it didn't dry out right here, because we know it turns to powder. I need to go unclog it. Maybe I'll try and take it. Yeah, I'm gonna take the filter off. Okay, so this is what the filter looks like. I rinsed it out, and this is how wide the base is. Now, hopefully what doesn't happen is that I clog the sprayer at the top, because I really have no way of knowing how to clean that baby out. Oh no, did I clog the top? No. Oh. I want it to absorb into the pottery here. There's quite a lot of water in it, so it may take a second. I am so jazzed. Okay, there are 2 more stencils I have been dying to use. I don't have sponges that are delicate enough, so my patterns weren't turning out properly. Oh, it's just a little too short. You know what? I'm gonna do it upside down, because it would still look cool, and I'm gonna give that a shot too. Maybe I don't. Oh, I am so excited. Oh my God. And this one's bamboo. Here. It did a tremendous job. It's so light. Oh, I love it. I don't see any overspray here. The mess I've made here is my own. I got to show you something else I was doing. When it was wet, I just turned it over on some newsprint, and now I have this cool design. Okay, see that cool transfer? That came because I had some wet on the outside of the plastic. This is beyond my expectation. I'll probably get some more so that I can make up the jars, and they seal airtight, so I might make up a few jars of different colors and just have at it. Oh, I'm so thrilled. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this was helpful. Tips. I would recommend sieving your underglaze 80 mesh or higher, because this little, it got stuck here with the 80, so did not seem to affect the spraying. The other thing I would recommend, it's really important that it is 45 degrees. It doesn't seem logical. Usually you think you want to have it flat like this to spray, but their system uses this 45-degree angle in order for you to be able to get the pressure that comes out of the spout. So if you find that you're spraying it and nothing's happening, it's because you need to actually angle it, which means you need to have enough underglaze inside the jar. They say that this little can of Pre-Val here will spray 16 ounces. I only tried this on underglaze, which is clay and stains. Glazes may actually have bigger particles within it, and I'm not sure how that's gonna all work. So, you know, you're gonna do that at your own risk. My big fear was when I took this bottom off that I would clog the sprayer up. It didn't happen, thankfully, but just wanted to put that disclaimer out there. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. Check out hobbypotter.com. Make sure you subscribe. If you want notifications when the next one comes out, feel free to do that. I use this YouTube channel as my vlog, so I don't always do. Every Monday I'm posting a video, but that would be why it's important to click the little bell so that you get a notification, go, oh, she's put out another product review. I'm having fun with that. Oh, that was just so fun to do. But hope you guys enjoyed. Enjoy your clay, and we'll see you next time.